Name is Jonathan Risto. I'm the co-author and one of the instructors for the Leadership 516 class, Building and Leading Vulnerability Management Programs. My career actually started dealing with networking, and from there I started branching into cybersecurity. My current role, I'm dealing specifically and directly with leading a vulnerability management team. Vulnerability management has been around for a very long time. We've had scanners since mid-90s, if not before. The challenge is we are not effectively looking and dealing with the problem. We say we have a vulnerability management program when we really just have a scanner and some information. There really isn't any other courses that are out there that people can lean on. I can go and get information from vendors about how this specific tool works or how that specific tool works, but it doesn't give you the whole picture about what we have to look at inside the organization. But a main component that we have of the class is something called Cyber 42. It's a simulation exercise that we have, but has both, I'll call them large-scale projects that the group can implement. There's choices of numerous ones, and we can't choose them all. And then there are challenges they have to solve as well, which are more of the day-to-day activities. So you're given options, and then you have to work with the team to figure out what do we think is the best to do. In security, I find we have a really hard time translating, I term it the technical gobbledygook, over into the business speak, because that's where most of the organization is. And so how can we actually put our technical requirements, our needs, the concerns that come to play, how do I make sure we can translate that and enable people to be able to communicate with the rest of the business and show how we support the mission, support the different divisions, components. And that, I hope at least students are able to take away from the class of this is how this can impact the organization. The Leadership 516, the Building Leading Vulnerability Management Programs, is available in multiple formats for students to take. We have it as the in-person events, live online components as well, and we do have it available in the on-demand platform as well. So for those that are interested finding out more information, more details, if you head over to the SANS.org website, go to SANS.org/LDR516, you'll be taken over to the page and you'll find all kinds of information and when the course is next being offered.